Hello, I am Stephanie T. Santos, the Chief Officer of Hindi Corrupt Company. My role is to oversee the financial health and strategic growth of our innovative enterprise. What is consolidation? Consolidation is like combining the financial reports of several related companies into one big report, giving a complete financial pictures of the entire group as if it were a single entity. For example, if our company, Hindi Corrupt Company, owns another company, use combine both of their balance sheet and income statement into one big report to show our overall financial strength. Parent company. This is the company leave a parent that owns and controls other smaller companies. Second, subsidiary. This is the smaller company that is owned and controlled by a larger parent's company, much like a child to a parent. Third is non-controlling interest, other owners. This represent the portion of subsidiaries that the parent company doesn't own, belonging to other investors. 3. Goodwill. Extra value paid. This is extra amount a company pays to buy another business beyond the fair value of its identifiable asset like a good brand name or a strong customer. I give an example for that. For example, imagine Hindi Corrupt Company, a big tech firm buys 80% of a smaller app development startup. When we consolidate, we combine all the Hindi Corrupt cash, buildings, and earnings, representing them as one unified financial statement to show our total combined power. Why is it important? Companies need consolidation to represent to a complete and accurate financial picture of their entire group of business, rather than looking at each entity separately. This is crucial for investors as it allows them to assess the true scale, performance, and the financial health of the combined enterprise, helping them more informed and decision-making. Therefore, financial statement consolidation is the process of combining the financial result of a parent company and its subsidiary into a comprehensive report. This proves a clear, unified view of the entire corporate family's financial position and performance, which is the vital for both company and external stakeholders like investor. Thank you.